Welcome to your daily Techpresso. In today's episode, we'll cover Instagram AI chatbots, Perplexity's new revenue sharing plan, NVIDIA's humanoid robot support, Meta's new computer vision model, Apple's AI training methods, Ghostery's stance on regulation, and Microsoft app tracking employee activity. First up, Instagram now lets you create an AI chatbot of yourself. Meta has released a new tool called AI Studio, enabling users in the US to create AI characters on Instagram or the web to interact with followers on their behalf. These AI profiles can engage in direct chat threads, respond to comments, and are customizable based on the creator's Instagram content and specified interaction guidelines. In addition to creating personalized AI, users can also design entirely new characters to use across Meta's platforms, with Meta ensuring these AI profiles are clearly labeled to avoid confusion. Next, let's talk about Perplexity's new revenue sharing plan. Perplexity has started a program to share advertising revenue with publishers after facing plagiarism accusations from several media outlets. The Publishers Program includes partners like Time, Der Spiegel, and Automatic, who will receive a portion of ad revenue for their content used by Perplexity. This initiative follows investigations by Forbes and Wired, which reported Perplexity's AI misusing and paraphrasing their articles without proper attribution. Now let's move on to NVIDIA's announcement of new support for humanoid robots. NVIDIA has introduced a new suite of services, including the NIM microservices platform and the Osmo orchestration service, to aid in the development, simulation, and training of humanoid robots. CEO Jensen Huang emphasized that NVIDIA is advancing its robotics stack to support global humanoid developers, offering platforms, acceleration libraries, and AI models tailored for their needs. At the SIGGRAPH conference, NVIDIA showcased an AI-enabled teleoperation workflow and detailed 3 robotics development platforms: NVIDIA AI supercomputers, NVIDIA Isaac Sim, and NVIDIA Jetson Thor humanoid robot computers. Up next is Meta's new open-source model, which could be the GPT-4 moment for computer vision. Meta has introduced SAM2, a cutting-edge open-source model for segmenting both images and videos, marking a significant advancement in computer vision similar to OpenAI's GPT-4 in natural language processing. While the original SAM focused solely on images, SAM2 excels in video segmentation, effectively handling lower-quality footage and partially obscured objects, thanks to training on a vast new video dataset. SAM2's improved accuracy, enhanced memory module for better object tracking, and faster processing speed positions it as a groundbreaking tool in the fields of video editing, robotics, and generative AI, despite some limitations. Next, let's discuss Apple's recent revelation about its AI models. Apple used Google's Tensor Processing Units, TPUs, to train 2 artificial intelligence models, according to a recent research paper. To train its AI models, the company employed 2,048 TPU v5P chips for devices like iPhones and 8,192 TPU v4 processors for server-based models. Unlike NVIDIA's GPUs, Google's TPUs are accessible only via Google Cloud Platform, requiring customers to build software through this platform to utilize the chips. Moving on, Ghostery's CEO says regulation won't save us from ad trackers. According to Ghostery CEO Jean-Paul Schmetz, protecting online privacy cannot solely depend on regulations like GDPR, because companies are adept at circumventing such rules. Schmetz highlights that big tech and regulatory bodies are unlikely to provide sustained privacy protection, emphasizing the need for users to adopt tools like Ghostery for comprehensive security against ad trackers. He observes that despite occasional regulatory impacts, tracking and ad technologies have continued to evolve and proliferate, necessitating personal action to manage online privacy effectively. Finally, Microsoft's app tracks employee activity. Microsoft's Dynamics 365 field service software uses AI to monitor workers' performance, raising concerns about employee surveillance according to a study by Cracked Labs. AI predictions within the software can impact task duration estimates for individual workers, potentially affecting employment decisions despite Microsoft claiming it is not intended for such use. The integration of Microsoft's Copilot AI aims to streamline work orders and performance metrics, but its accuracy and reliability have been questioned regarding its impact on worker well-being and job security. Thank you for listening to today's Techpresso. See you tomorrow for the Daily Techpresso.